GEARS, where your adventure is our mission. Introducing our Antifreeze Balaclava, the essential headwear for every outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're into snowmobiling, snowboarding, skiing, biking, or ATV riding, this balaclava is designed to enhance your experience. The Antifreeze Balaclava features a triple-layer system for optimal performance. The outer layer is a 100% waterproof and breathable polyester mesh, allowing rain and snow to bead off effortlessly. The middle layer is made of Milair, providing excellent insulation, water resistance, and breathability. Inside, a soft microfleece layer is gentle on the skin, wicking away moisture and promoting vapor evaporation through the outer layers. Advanced flat-seam stitching ensures comfort under helmets by eliminating pressure points. The ergonomic design allows full head and neck mobility, making it a preferred choice among motorcyclists and snowsports enthusiasts. The balaclava includes a perforated mouth area for easy exhalation and a specially designed nostril cutout for unobstructed inhalation. These features help prevent eyewear fogging during physically intense activities, enhancing both comfort and performance. For care, we recommend you hand wash only to preserve the quality.
Add to cart and go seize your adventure.